There are preloaded apps on Windows operating system that you really don't like and want to uninstall them from your PC. Well, you can use the Revo uninstaller to get rid of these apps. Not only that, but also delete the leftovers files from your computer as well. You can download the free version from a Revo uninstaller website. I have put the link in the video description. Click download free portable and unpack that file by using the extract tools inside the Windows. Once you have done that, open up the folder and you should see the executable file in here. Double click on this and agree to their terms. And then click on the Windows apps and choose all apps that you want to uninstall. I'll choose this app. This method makes it very simple and easy. Any apps that you don't need or you want to uninstall them, you can use the Revo uninstaller. Click uninstall and you can create a restore point if you want to. Click continue and this will remove the app or software from your computer. You can scan for leftovers. Any remaining files that are found, just select them all and then you can just delete these from your computer. This will completely remove the Windows app or software from your PC. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.